TV. Today we're going to open some Ghostbusters toys and look at some.
So what we have?
We have Ecto Trap. We have some Ghostbuster cards. We have
A burnt Stay Puft.
the Stay Puft. We got Marshmallow Man
Stay Puft. And the Slimer.
and Slimer.
The Ecto car they put out. A different version of it, the Playmobiles. A little die-cast car. Got the 4 figures that they put out that are retro. Ecto Trap. Got the Ghost Popper down here. And they got Spengler's Neutrino Wand. We're not going to open it today, it's in the box still. But then we got the Plasma Series set. With Vinkman. Stance. Spengler. Dana Barrett. Gozer. And Zeddemore. These were all released in 2020. Except maybe the die-cast car, I think it's a couple years older.
Maybe.
Go down.
And so we're going to start opening these.
We're going to open these real quick, and then we'll get right back with you.
Welcome back. And here we got the
Plasma Series opened up. Finally, they're really hard to pose. They're really hard to stand up. They are hard to hold their plasma guns, but they're very detailed, as you can tell. And there's 6 of them, and you got the battle action figure, of course, with them. And you got Spengler, Stantz, Vinkman, Zedemeyer, Barrett, and Gozer, and Zith Cortho. And that's all we got to show you for today.
make sure to subscribe, leave a like on this video,
We'll see you next time.
and we'll see you next time. Now, how long was that?